Hey guys, it's Jerry and Graham here. We're here for your monthly market update for February 2025 for Waterloo Region. There is a lot to unpack this month, so let's dive in, Graham.
Absolutely. All right, let's start with the big numbers. February, 363 homes sold across the region. That's a 26% drop from this time last year, nearly 39% lower than the 10-year average. So, and that's the 10-year average for February.
Yeah, those numbers definitely show a slowdown, but if you've been following the market, it's not too surprising. There are a few key reasons behind it. Obviously, the tariff concerns have made some buyers very cautious, and they're really sitting on the sidelines right now, especially those worried about the impacts on employment. And there were some massive snowfalls we had last month, which obviously made it a little harder for people to get out and view those homes.
Exactly, but here's where things get interesting. Okay, while sales were down, we actually saw an increase in new listings hitting the market, which is fantastic. 858 new listings were added in February, which is a 7.3% increase compared to last year.
Yeah, that's big.
Good. All right, the total number of active listings at the end of the month was 1,450, which is a huge 55% increase from last year and 68% increase over 10 years.
Wow, that really means there's more inventory for buyers and sellers. And it's great news for those who've really been struggling to find options. Despite the slower sales, home prices have remained actually relatively stable. So the average price for all residential properties came in at $767,000, which is up 1.3% compared to last year and 1.8% compared to January. Detached homes, we came in right at the $900,000, which is actually a 1% increase from last year. Good. While townhouses came in at $613,000, that's down 2.7% year over year. Okay. Apartment style condos, they dipped a little bit to $437,000. That's down 5.8%, and semis averaged out at $670,000, down 0.5% year over year, but up 6.6% from January.
Okay, and we're seeing that confidence in other ways too. I'm sure you are as well. Like open houses are still getting great attendance. We're hearing from all of our mortgage brokers that pre-approvals are coming in like crazy. Their desks are full. A lot of buyers are really watching the market closely for the right moment to make their move. Plus, the average time to sell a home dropped 10 days to 24 in February, which, 34 days in January. It shows that well-priced homes are still moving at a really steady pace.
Absolutely, Graham. So what does it really mean for you, the buyer and seller? Well, if you're a buyer, this could be a great opportunity to get into the market and really before it starts to heat up again in the spring. More listings mean more choices. You might have a little bit more of that negotiating room on the price and the conditions than you did a few months ago. With 2.6 months of inventory, of total housing inventory available right now, buyers definitely have the more breathing room compared to last year. But keep in mind, detached homes, we still have that lower inventory level, about 1.8 months. So the competition, the multiple offers is still going to be present in that segment.
Yeah, for sure. And if you're a seller, this market is all about strategy. Pricing your home correctly and making sure it stands out is the most important. And with more inventory coming into the market, buyers are going to be picky. So having the right marketing, the right presentation, and your pricing strategy in place is key.
Absolutely, Graham. Bottom line, whether you're thinking about buying or selling or just staying informed, now is the right time to have a solid plan in place.
Yeah, absolutely. That's where we come in. If you've got questions or you want to chat about your real estate goals, reach out anytime. We'd love to help you navigate this market.
That's it. Hope you guys have a great March, and we'll see you next month.